Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about what are the next process after your onboarding pass mail. To get a clear vision about your onboarding pass after what are all the process in day 1 and day 2, don't skip the video, watch the full video, and then if you have any queries or any doubts, comment in the comment section below. Stepping into first, today is my joining, still no link for day 1 when I get my onboarding link. After your onboarding pass mail, you will be first getting your agenda mail which contains your schedule of day 1 and day 2. This was the screenshot of the agenda mail. See, induction agenda December 28th December of day 1 and day 2. So like this you will be getting. If your date of joining is Jan 11 or Jan 7 or February or March or April, you will be getting like induction agenda of Jan with that date. And this mail was from Gency Corp support at cognizant.com. The mail contains message like this. Dear candidate, greeting from Cognizant. We are happy that you have chosen to start the next chapter of your professional journey with Cognizant. Please find below the onboarding agenda for day 1 and day 2. Below that, here's your day 1 schedule. Time slot along with the topics. So let me explain that. Time slot from 9 am to 12 pm, you will be having your onboarding procedures like they can ask you to show your documents. In our channel, I already separately done one video with what are the documents required for day 1. So I will be giving that link in my description box. Go and check that video if you want clear vision about what are the documents needed for your day 1. From 12 to 12:30 pm, WebEx invites final joiners. From 1 to 2, you will be having your lunch. And then 2 to 3 icebreaker session with new joiners. In icebreaker session, what they will ask means they will ask anyone to speak about Cognizant or about themselves. So like that it will be having the session. From 3 to 4 it will be professional utility. In this session they will be explaining about how a professional be. So how you have to work and what was the Cognizant professional ethics, like that they will be explaining. From 4 to 4:30 you will be having your break. From 4:30 to 6, Cognizant value session. In Cognizant value session they will be explaining about Cognizant and what is the dress code, like that they will be explaining. From 6 to 6:30, reflection on day 1. So overall we can say that overall what we have done from morning to till 6:30, it will be like reflection on day 1. So this was your day 1 schedule. Coming into our day 2 schedule, from 9:30 am to 10:30 am it will be Cognizant overview. From 10:30 am to 11 pm it will be break. 11 to 1 corporate induction session, and then from 1 to 2 lunch, and then from 2 to 2:30 it will be activity session like behavioral session. From 2:30 to 3:30 inclusion and diversity. From 3:30 to 4 my journey. From 4 to 4:30 it's again break. 4:30 to 5:30 reflection on day 1. 5:30 to 6 poll and concluding feedback survey. So this was the schedule for your day 1 and day 2. After onboarding pass mail, and then your onboarding pass will be in your One Cognizant portal. So you have to download your onboarding pass from One Cognizant portal. After that your mail contains this, and then you will be getting your agenda mail first. See, in agenda mail at last you can see that note. You will receive a separate communication from us with Teams link details. So in our previous video I explained that hereafter in Cognizant there will be no WebEx link. In my previous which video I posted previously, I explained about why they are changing and what here will be. Here will be no WebEx link, only Teams link. I said like that. So hereafter for freshers also they will be asking our day 1 and day 2 schedule with Teams link only. So that is what they mentioned here. You will receive a separate communication from us with Teams link detail. So you will not be getting your WebEx link, you will be getting your Microsoft Teams link. Also, see the disclaimer, Teams link will be shared to candidates who have successfully completed their pre-joining formalities. We look forward to welcome you on board. So you have to complete your all the pre-joining formalities to get your Teams link. I hope you all now clear with this first question. Today is my joining, still no link for day one. When I get my onboarding link, so about agenda mail, and then your when you will get your onboarding link, I think you will all be clear with this. Coming into next, work from home or work from office. I am clarifying this question in all my videos. It will be work from home only, friends, because Cognizant still doesn't open their company yet. So it will be work from home only for you all. Coming into next question, 19th form submission option. Yes, 19th form after when you are getting your onboarding mail, right? In that mail, it will be said as task is added. You have to complete that. So when you are going to see in your One Cognizant portal, it will ask like submit. But if we go into that, only we have our onboarding pass. We don't have option to submit. So don't worry about this. I think it will be get automatically submitted, or after our day one, it gets automatic submit, or we will get submit option. So don't think that if we complete 19th form only, we will be getting our link. 19th form is automatic submit option, or they will provide us with anything, because your onboarding pass is on your day one, right? So then how before that day one it will be get completed. So on this basis, 19th form, if you didn't get any submit option, means don't worry about it. Try to complete all your 18 forms. Coming into next question, what documents needed for our day one? To make your smooth onboarding, I will be suggesting you to be prepared with soft copies like 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, 1 to 8 sem mark sheets of your UG, and then provisional mark sheet. And then if you have degree mark sheet, make it as also a soft copy. And if you completed PG means be ready with your PG mark sheets, and then your Aadhaar card, and then your PAN card. So be ready with all these soft copies to make your onboarding smooth. Don't get confused with where you have to upload these soft copies. There might be chance they will be asking you to upload whether by mailing them, or again in One Cognizant portal. It depends upon the recruiters. So let's see what will be going, and when they are asking to submit, where they are asking to submit these documents. So be prepared with all these documents. It will be helpful for you to complete your first day onboarding without any stress. If you want to know about my Cognizant journey and how I am selected in Cognizant, you have to do only one thing. Subscribe to DK World and press the notification button, so that you will be getting our what we are uploading next video in your mail. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching this video.